If you think you've seen tough trucks before, think again. What if a powerhouse brand like Caterpillar, the kings of heavy machinery, decided to build a pickup truck for the open road? Not just any truck, but an unstoppable beast engineered with the same DNA as world-class bulldozers and mining rigs. Today, you're about to witness the future of durability, the 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck. The pickup that doesn't just conquer terrain, it dominates it. Welcome back to the channel. If you love extreme machines, this is your new home. And today, we're taking you inside a vehicle built for legends, the Caterpillar pickup, a truck designed to work harder, travel farther, and look tougher than anything ever parked in a driveway. At first glance, this thing hits like a punch to the chest. The front grille is a fortress, solid steel, bold Caterpillar badge, armor-style bumper, and LED quad-beam headlights carved like the eyes of a predator. The wheels? Forget regular tires, these are industrial-grade, run-flat, deep-tread off-road beasts, ready for mud, rocks, sand, even construction debris. The body panels are reinforced with impact-resistant plating, so if a boulder rolls down a mountain, guess who wins? Even the bed is built like a worksite platform, high-strength composite, integrated tool systems, hydraulic hook cranes, and a 5-ton payload capacity. This isn't luxury pretending to be muscle, this is real muscle. Step inside, and everything changes. Caterpillar didn't just build a cabin, they built a command center. Premium stitched leather everywhere. Digital dashboards that feel like a cockpit, dual 19-inch displays, augmented reality navigation, satellite connectivity, biometric ignition, even thermal cameras to scan the terrain ahead. The seats are engineered for long-distance fatigue-free driving, heated and ventilated with memory foam cushioning. You get 110V tool outlets, fridge compartment, wireless workstation, and a panoramic roof to keep the wilderness in view. Rugged? Yes. But luxury? Also yes. This interior proves you never have to choose between comfort and power again. Now let's talk about what makes this monster roar. Under the hood lives a 6.7L Caterpillar turbo hybrid diesel, delivering over 1,200 lb-ft of torque. Yup, that's heavy equipment torque inside a pickup truck. It hauls like a dump truck, accelerates like a performance SUV, and climbs like an excavator. 3-stage adaptive suspension gives you road manners in the city and beast mode in the wilderness. It can tow 30,000 pounds without breaking a sweat. Off-road? With multi-axle traction control, locking diffs, and 24 inches of ground clearance, you could honestly drive across a construction site, through a flood, and up a mountainside, all before breakfast. Pricing: a truck made of steel and power isn't cheap. The starting price is expected around $145,000, and fully loaded work edition models can climb past $200,000. But remember, you're not buying a pickup. You're buying a heavy-duty machine that can replace a tractor, a tow rig, and a worksite vehicle all in one. Safety is where Caterpillar goes serious. This truck uses industrial-grade roll cage protection, 360-degree obstacle detection, reinforced underbody shielding, emergency drone beacon, fire-resistant cabin materials, and automated trailer stability control. Whether you're towing equipment through chaos or exploring where roads don't exist, this truck is your shield. So here's the real question: who is this truck for? The dreamers. The builders. The wild ones who live beyond the city limits. The 2026 Caterpillar pickup isn't for everyone, it's for the few who demand a machine as unstoppable as they are. Power. Strength. Survival. This is the future of heavy-duty performance, and it wears the Caterpillar name proudly. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's toughest new pickup, smash that like button, subscribe for more next-generation vehicles, and tell me in the comments, would you dare to drive this beast? The adventure starts behind the wheel.